generally when it's night time and you speak and it goes silent, you've got some noise up in the roof that goes silent again. Most people would be quite fearful. Yes. Anyways, there's a this here go board bound for the UK. Go board parts, 6 hours bound for the UK. The legs and cases and antique pieces. You'll find that there's a lot of work that goes into when this eventually does make it to the UK. You'll find that this is just a wooden box I'm using to help me move it into the truck. You'll find there's a lot of work that goes on in this, because of sea freight and also cell economy. Yeah, they have 2 meters. You go around that way and then you go that way, and if it's under 2 meters, you're good to go. And so over the years I've developed a way to do this, and also have protectors around the boards too. So it's a lot of work, and that's why, you know, I really should up the ante. I mean, even these boxes, that you got to get certain boxes that are the right dimensions in order to cut them down, and you know, so I make F all out of it, out of go boards. But you know, I don't mind the game of Go to, you know, spread around the world kind of thing, like Buddhism sort of thing and Shinto, and there's beauty in it. It's a lot of work involved, but that's also exercise. Yeah, we're still getting some noise going on from the serial killer up here. Yeah. Well, I have it on good authority. What I could do, let's get this. Yeah, here we go. Hold on. Just pop the safety off. Aren't these cool? You can hear the BBs, the BB pellets in them. That's a safety one right there. And you got a little mag here, and they take these 6mm plastic pellets. And if you get the light ones, they sort of blow around the wind, but you get these, they're the orange ones. You get these white ones, which I've got a pack of them over here. They're these ones, they're quite solid, and they when you get, you've got to wear some glasses for these, on your safety glasses. I mean, when you get hit in the ear or whatever, right on the earlobe, ouchie bloody poos. Yes, indeed. Anyways, I have it on good authority that the thing that's making noise up there is what's known. Oh, I can show you one. One of those. A tunnel key. Aren't they cute? Now, I know there's a tunnel key. In the daytime, he lives right over there. Oh, spider looks real happy, doesn't it? Piss off, yep. And spiders. I know that tunnel key lives over yonder, and I've seen him a few times. I've actually sort of disturbed him a few times as I've been sort of over there and picking up resources. And we keep like various bits of wood and stuff, and sometimes we go there and utilise that. And in the evenings, in the night time, I've been here. I've done overnighters here a few times, and over there it's empty. Never seen the bloke ever. And the bloke over there rarely comes. And he trundles down there, and maybe he hangs out in there at night time. But it seems like because winter is going to befall us, if I survive that long, it seems like he might be, because he was rustling around there quite a bit, I reckon he might be making some bedding up here, making a consideration that might be a nice warm area, because I haven't been here for ages, right? Well, apart from yesterday. And so he's probably thinking, oh, this is a good spot to hole up for winter. So it must be a bit of a disturbance for him, but I'm not going to bang on the wall of the roof or anything like that. No, just really cute. Some meanies go, yeah, they're really cute. We stuff them. Yeah. Anyways, right. Yeah, okay, that's sorted. Alright, got a whole list of stuff here. No one can read my hieroglyphics. I can't even read my hieroglyphics. Right, I found that. When I finally get some dough together, I can send that by, right, gotta keep working.